Hey, Steve here with a quick video. Try to keep this under about 3 minutes here to show you the trailer setup I have. Might answer a few questions that some of you have had. We start with the incoming water. It's on a General Pump hose reel. Not a high quality hose reel. I could talk about that at another time. But anyway, it does hold the garden hose, 150 feet of contractor hose. As you can see, this is not plumbed in, but rather not there is a braided line which comes to a connector here. That just hooks directly to the garden hose from the customer's water supply and then comes around to a water filter, and as you can see, travels back in the back here and then into a 275 gallon water tank, which has, I believe, it's got a Hudson float valve on it, which is set to about 250 gallons in here. Now you can see that the water comes out of our water tank from 2-inch out with a valve on it, and then there is a cam lock fitting, goes to 2-inch pipe here. It comes back this direction and goes to a dump valve. That way I can dump this whole tank in about less than about 5 minutes. Comes forward, it goes into a high volume sediment filter, or what the heck are we calling those now? Screen filter. And then from there to a Y, and it feeds both of these pressure washers. You can see what we've done here is we've tried to eliminate T's and 90s, and we come in this suction hose right into the inlet of the pump with a 1-inch king nipple. So we're not starving this pump right here. This is a 4 GPM direct drive General Pump unit, and it is hooked to a 13 horsepower Honda GX390. And we back up a little bit. You can see here that there's actually 2 of these on the trailer. Okay, so I can run one of them, or I can run both of them at the same time. I've got the unloaders remotely mounted, as you can see, on the trailer itself. And then those lines come around here from this on the side. I've got to do something better with those lines, but anyway, they come down along here and go to the 2 hose reels in the back. These are Summit hose reels. Both of them have roughly 200 feet of non-marking hose on them, and I can run both pressure washers for 9 gallons a minute, or I can run one pressure washer for 4 gallons a minute. And then in the front here, I keep, this is my mix tank right here, and as you can see, I've got a spigot that comes off of it for filling 5-gallon buckets. That's the way I like to do it. And then I also keep 30 gallons of 12.5% sodium hypochlorite on there. So, geez, other than the toolbox, I think that pretty much covers the whole thing. So if you have any questions or whatever about how it works, it's a pretty basic setup. Feel free to ask me, and I'll be happy to let you know. Anyway, hope that helps somebody. 3 minutes, 45 seconds. See ya.